Oh, that was a big drop. Oh my god. So, we've just landed, well, coming down to Chernorus now. We've been sent down to take out a prison break because, if you didn't know, Exile is a prison island, but they've all broken out. So there's lots of, like, let's say bad people here. Now, I've been sent in, para-drop down to go find these people and take them out. But seem to have lost all my supplies falling in. We just need to go find some supplies. Now, I'll show you on the map, but this is the Chernorus place, and we're going to go to this gear crate to get some gear, but first we need a car. I wonder where a car is. Right, so just heading down to the gear crate, and then I found this car. Now this speeds it up like loads, so that's gonna be useful. We could probably sell it as well. Right, so I was just coming down here, meet Mike Sam. I was just coming down here and I saw a guy, right? This guy's like got some sick stuff. I don't know where he is. I see him. Oh my god. There's two of them. There's two. Right. These must be those prisoners that have escaped. Oh yeah, I got one. That's good. Whoa, they've got one heavy gun. Wow. There's more of them. It's quite a lot. Normally at these crates, there's not many. Looks like we've got a sniper. Whoa. I see him. If I could get back, get all these stuff. These prisoners have good stuff. I got a hit on him. I've got 2 more shots left and I don't know what we'll do after that. Whoa. He's got some serious gun. I don't see him. Oh, I see him. Hey, I got him. Right, I'll go get the car now. Let's go see what's in there. Right, it's just coming up here. And we're just gotta be stealthy. Because basically, they've got some big guns. Like, when I say big guns, I mean big guns. You should see them. Right. I've been to one of these before. But it didn't go very well. And I'll leave the car there. Let me put a waypoint. Car. Right. Take off auto run. So these have got all the good stuff. So if we get these, we can go sell most of it and we can get a helicopter and escape off this island. But we haven't completed a mission first to complete and take care of all of the prisoners. So that is what we've got to do, but taken one camp of 2 prisoners so far, but that's not good enough. We need more. Should just be sort of 500. Yeah, that's it there. Right, that's going to be a big issue. Oh. Don't know how we're gonna do this. There should be a heavy gunner first. I should have brought my lapel magnum to snipe them. Oh, that was a very good decision, was it? Oh, I see them. Let's get down. What is he doing? Right. So they're about there, is that right? No, they're actually about 250 meters away. I'll just flatten some of this grass. This is gonna be a bit tricky. Put it up to 300 actually. I need to find that heavy machine gunner though. I only see 2 running round. Right, I'm gonna go for it. I got one. Where's the other? Where is he? He's there. That's it, stand up. Alright, that's both of them. Alright, that should be all. Alright, I'll go get the car and bring that round. Alright, so we've got the car. I'm just gonna just go over here, see what we can get. But I'm not quite so sure we got all of them though, because normally there's a static 50 cal machine gun there, so I'm not quite sure where he is. But we'll go see. We'll have a look. Right. There's some smoke there. I'm not being shot at yet, so that's the first. Oh, I think I got them all. That's good. Oh, what's this? Alright, the box is there. Alright. Let's have a look what's in the box. Wow, that's some pretty good stuff. Let's take those scopes. Actually thinking about it, I might see if I can get that in the back of a truck. Can we? Oh, I've driven over it. Anyway, we'll have to just use this. Scope, smile, more scopes. I need that ghillie suit. Let's take all of that. I don't know which is better, an assault pack. No, I'll just take them both. Let's just do that. Oh my god. What am I doing today? Something wrong. Right. Let's put that in there. Oh, the car's full. What mags? There's a lot of mags for that. All decisions. Oh, I need to get rid of some of it. What are these? Get rid of those. Could I put it in? No. Put that on the ground. Get it in? No. Oh my god, what are we doing? Oh, get rid of that. Hey, we can get it in. Right. So we want the MK200. Right, get one of those mags. Got a lot of mags for this. We don't need that, so what do we not need? This is empty fuel can, we don't need that. Let's get rid of that. I can't really fit another one in. Oh, that's annoying. What am I gonna do? Like some of those, because those are pretty good as well. We don't need anything else. What gun have we got on the back? How many mags? Well, that's alright, 600 shots. And then we got another mag in there. Right then, let's get going. Alright, so I've seen on the map there's a car robbery. Let's go check that out. Thinking we need another car, so let's go have a look. It's 500 meters away to our position where I'm going to park the car. And it's a green one, so it should be quite easy, but we never know. Yeah, I'll park it here. Car. Alright, let's go. Right, what scope have I got? This is one I like. Yes, good one. Let's see whether we can get any good loot or kills from this place. Now, I'm looking for a rangefinder or binoculars of some sort because we don't really have a long range scope. This is actually a really good place to camp out. $700 meters. Where is it? Let's just run down here for a bit. Oh yeah, I see someone. How far can this go? Right, that's not very good. So this scope can only go 300 meters, and that's 700 meters away. So we're gonna have to get a different scope. That's quite annoying, actually. Because I found actually a good way to do these missions. Just don't use a sniper. Many people use those. Just use like just a heavy machine gun, one with lots of ammo. You just spray them. Right, let's have a look. Keep that in my inventory. Oh, I can't use that. We're gonna have to go close up. Thinking go around on the right. Let's drive over there. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Alright, let's try this place. I see the shop. See 2 people, 3. Yeah, I'll go for 3. I need to go flat in the grass so we can get a clear shot. How far is it? 500, so we're gonna have to aim up a bit. Just thinking, where can we actually... this is a good spot. Alright, where are they? So I'm aiming for that car to try and blow it up. That's 2 of them down, there's 1 more. I don't see him. That's that one down. I only saw 3. Yeah, I think there's only 3, so let's go and check it out. That was quite successful actually. Right. That was the mafia gathering we just took out. There's a base over there. We'll have to come to that in a different time, 'cause there might be some extra people in there. Get some good loot. Oh, that's a good car. That is a good car. Oh, whoa, there's some nice cars. Wow. There's some serious lag though. Oh. Oh, that's good. Gonna have to take some of these scopes. Take that. That's the sniper rifle. That's really good. Let's oh my god. What is my game doing? Right, so I'm gonna keep how much that's 1,100. Yeah, probably gonna keep that. No, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. Because there's 7 rounds in one of those, and this is actually really good. And I'm just gonna... Now what do I want to sell? What do these guys have first? Oh my god. Oh, has my game crashed? No. Oh, Katiba. Oh, defender helmet. Have some ammo for the Katiba. Our plan. Wait, this guy's got a rocket launcher. Whoa. I have not found that before. That is insane. Is that... Oh my god, what? Oh my god, I just saw the rocket launcher on the floor. Put all that in there. Let's go check it out. Yeah, rocket launcher. Ooh. There's some more mags. Those Mar's really good. I want this rocket launcher. Oh, rangefinder. Yes, that's what I wanted. Alright, I've got that now. It's got one shot. Now can I start... Oh my god, what am I doing? It's very laggy over here. Can I sell it? No, that's going to have to be one use only. So this is the stuff I'm going to sell then. Oh, I don't have any ropes. Right. Let's put them more in here. I can drop the Lapore Magnum. Yeah, we've got a lot of mags for this. Drop that. Still can't fit it in. Right, there we go, that's in now. So I want to keep that. Nah. Well, mags, of course. So what are we actually selling? It's 2 cars. Does have anything that's in there? No. Let's have a look in here. There's nothing in there. Right. I'll go sell these 2 cars and I'll be right back. Right, so the idea is there are some armed bandits here. That is the plan. We're gonna go there. But first there's some people there, so we need to get those. But I think we might be able to sneak past them. I don't know. Our plan is to get those armed bandits. I mean, that's the plan, so they might have quite good stuff, or they might not. That is a good place. Can I see them now? What's that? Supply crate. No, I don't see them. I'm gonna move forward. Where are we going? Whoa, we need to back up. My god. No, that's not good, that's not good. What are we gonna do? Alright, need back up fast. I've called in, I should have called in for support. Where are they? There they are. Whoa. That's a lot. Oh my god. They need to save me. That is awesome.